Top 5 tips for successful career planning in the UK. A successful overseas career takes careful and strategic planning. So how do you develop an effective career plan? Keep watching this video for 5 top tips for successful UK career planning. Assess your immigration and visa requirements. Obtaining a work visa in the UK is more complex than in many other nations, but it isn't a major impediment to relocating to UK. Find an expert and choose the right visa for you. Expand your network. Networking is most important to get a job, as more than half of corporate jobs are filled by referrals. This is very true when the applicant is new to the UK market and the companies and positions mentioned on his or her CV is unfamiliar in the UK. Be open and contact friends. Visit networking events and job fairs. Join social media groups like the Facebook group Indians in London and LinkedIn groups as per your sector. Make an excellent curriculum vitae and cover letter. To ensure that you stand out, you'll need to create an outstanding CV and cover letter. It might be beneficial to work with a UK-based career advisor to assist design your resume for the UK-based companies. It's vital to know that in the United Kingdom, submitting a resume is uncommon, thus naming your document CV is a better idea. There was a distinction between a CV and a resume in the past, but in today's time there is no difference. Job boards, online applications and recruiters. With an increasing job opener, you will find a plethora of job sites or job boards. In recent days, LinkedIn has been one of the best job sites for professionals. Job boards like Total Jobs or Job Site, Reed, Indeed or a simple Google search will help you to find jobs in London. If an online search is not helpful, find a recruitment agency. Recruiting firms are fantastic for getting your foot in the door for an interview. Get ready for your interview. Interview preparation is not universal. What works in India may not work in the UK. Be prepared for situational, competency-based and behavioural interview questions, in addition to your core technical skills. Learn online interview basics to avoid any embarrassment. If you have difficulty understanding some or specific English accents, listen to British programs to familiarise yourself with different accents. Speak slow and clear to ensure your interviewers clearly understand you. If you're nervous, find a career expert. They are great at getting you hired.
Need help with your career planning? Try out Themis Technologies Career Consulting Program, a program designed especially for international talents, keeping their unique needs in mind. For more details on the program, you can visit our website. You can also contact us through the information in the description. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you are new to our channel, subscribe to Themis Technologies for more exciting videos.